Hey friends, today I'm doing another YouTube video with Stylist Makeover. Okay, so right now I've got Princess Calamerio. Would you like? Okay, this guy called Google just came. B-R-A-I-D? Did she say braid? Okay, well, I'm gonna give her a braid. She asked for a braid, she can get a braid. Oh, she actually liked it. Oh, and this guy called Google apparently wants a new style from me. He's come to me before, so I actually know what he wants. I'm gonna give her this with a background. He loves that style. Oh yeah, I just got 5 stars. See? Told you I knew what he wants. You like. Oh yay! 10 gems. This looks like this kind of person. Oh yeah, maybe a bunny? No, that doesn't look good on top. There we go! Isabella. Okay. 2 out of 5? Why? She wouldn't tell me what she wants. Okay. What do you want? She said long hair. Okay, so I gotta find long hair. Wavy? That's terrible. Okay guys, I gotta leave now. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you can see when every single new video comes out. I just released some new music, so make sure to take a look at that too. Bye!